By January 2018, any educational institution that receives federal funding needs to have an Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, accessible website. Spring-Forward has made vast improvements with the launch of the new website and is now moving towards improving our use of PDFs online. What does it mean to be a website accessible? Web accessibility means that people with disabilities can understand, navigate, and interact with the web, and that they can more effectively consume information online. As we continue to see our world moving into a digital space, we need to make sure we do not allow individuals with the range of disabilities and impediments to fall behind because they do not have equal access to digital content. Some disabilities impacted by web accessibility include visual, blindness, low vision, color blindness, hearing, deafness, hearing impairments, motor, inability to use one's hands, tremors, muscle slowness, limited fine motor control, cognitive, learning disabilities, disabilities affecting memory, attention, problem solving, or logic. In this video, we will learn how to set up a Microsoft document so that the file is accessible prior to saving it as a PDF. We will learn about the Styles tool, create alt text for an image, create a readable hyperlink, and learn how to save a PDF file correctly. The Microsoft Suite has many built-in features to help people with different abilities to read and author documents. Microsoft offers the accessibility checker that locates elements that might cause problems for people with disabilities prior to publishing documents. Start by saving the accessibility checker to your most used Microsoft products, such as Word or Excel. For Publisher, you will want to use the Design Checker. On your Word document ribbon, right-click on Review. In your Word options, select Customize Quick Access Toolbar and change your command to Commands Not in a Ribbon. Then add the accessibility checker to the right column. Click OK. Now your accessibility checker will remain in the upper left section of every Word document going forward. In Publisher, you need to go to File, Design Checker. This will open a window on the right side of your screen. Then click the box next to Run Website Checks. This will show you the errors you need to address and fix. ADA accessible documents, such as newsletters or flyers, with titles and headings are particularly important for orientation to help people move between pages in a document or browser. Font sizes for headers must always decrease in size, from top down to the body of your document. In your new Word document, hover over the Styles tab on your home ribbon. Drop down the arrow to view all of your styles options. We will start with our title. Next is our heading. A heading is like a subtitle or a line of secondary information. Finally, let's start typing the body of our document using the normal style. Now that your accessibility checker is saved to your quick access toolbar, you can easily check your document prior to publishing. The accessibility checker will identify what to fix, how to find it, why to fix it, and how to fix it. In the upper left corner, click the accessibility checker icon. Any errors will show in the inspection results window. Errors must be corrected prior to saving as a PDF. Warnings may be addressed, but are not necessarily required. Start by selecting the first error item. In this instance, it is Picture 6, which requires the addition of alt text. You'll see on the bottom of the window additional information with specific instructions to make the correction. For this picture, we need to right-click the image and click on Format Picture. Now, click on Layout and Properties to add your alt text title and description. In our example, we'll use the title Spring-Forward Crest, and our description will have a slightly longer narrative. Once completed, the error will be removed from the list and a successful accessibility checker message will be displayed.